Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve could not restyle your photo, try again later problem on Instagram. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app if available on Play Store or App Store. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or aeroplane mode. Hopefully in this way you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.